Okay, you guys, we got all of the plastic off and everything. I know this looks kind of wet, but it's going to dry up tonight, I'm sure, because this is where he's putting all the different bricks. And you can look down and see. Let me step into my bedroom right now. I know it won't happen tomorrow, but it will get started tomorrow. We have over 600 gallons of water. Because we have no water on the property, the water that we pumped out of these, all of these little dips and bumps, and even in here too, because it's still wet. We got caught about 600 gallons of it. So now, this still amazes the crap out of me, all of these bricks here. And then we have the water, and we're ready to go. So I'm going to turn around so you can see it from the other side. I know I'm moving around a lot, but oh well. Anyway, so right now I would be standing in the kitchen. How cool is this? Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, bye.